Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that how can you deliver your speech in English language. Sometimes you are sitting in a gathering and you are suddenly asked to come on the stage and speak out some words. Then there is a problem with you that you are not prepared for that and you will have to speak spontaneously some kind of words there. And if you are not prepared, if you are not mentally aware about such kind of situation, then you will face the problems. So how can you tackle from such kind of the problems? I will share some four methods of speech. First method is that manuscript, second is memorized, and third is impromptu, fourth is extemporaneous. Extemporaneous, the correct word is extemporaneous. And I will discuss on these four topics here in this video. So please stay with me in this video, watch this video till end. First of all, I will talk about the manuscript. That some people when they are aware that they are invited at some celebrations and where they are supposed to speak some little kind of speeches, and they prepared themselves in advance. They write down the script of their speech on a paper. They keep that paper in the pocket, and when they go there, they deliver that written speech. And I think that this is good in some way. When you are in a hurry or urgent, when you think that you will not keep the words in mind, you will not remember, then this is good that manuscript, because sometimes when you speak a person forgets some main points. So written speech is, but there are some losses of this kind of speech, that you cannot make the eye contact with the audiences. You are involved in your paper, you are throughout watching, and sometimes you miss out the lines, and there was the problems. When you make the eye contact with the public, then I think that you will miss the line. You will jump to the last line or mid lines instead of the correct line. So this is the problems. And when you disturb while seeing the script, then your mind works in different styles, and some kind of hesitation looks, and audience can judge you that you are forgetting the words. So in some way it is good, but in some way it is not good. If you have the written script, then I think that you should memorize that script a little. And second is the memorized speech. This is good, that before delivering the speech in your past time, you prepare yourself about delivering the speech, and you memorize the whole speech, and when you go there and you are called on the stage, and you speak very spontaneously because you have memorized the speech. This is good. And sometimes you forget the memorized words, then you feel the problems. Then on discussing on the right topic, you divert yourself on some kind of different topics, and you are in hesitation to end your speech. And before delivering some important topics, you end your speech. When you come back to the audience, you remember that, oh, this point is missing. This was very important point, I should discuss on this. But at that time, no benefit of that thinking. So sometimes memorized speeches are good, and sometimes you can forget, and bad moments come. So this was the benefit and the loss of memorized speech. Right now I will talk about the impromptu speech. This is impromptu speech is that when you are in a gathering and you are not willing to speak, and you are thinking that right now you are just a listener and you are not called on the stage to deliver. But suddenly the stage secretary announces that please come on the stage and deliver some your beautiful words here. Then this is very important point that you are not ready for the speech. Then what to do? I will give you some suggestions that at that point some people are very curious, very clever, you can say, that they can deliver little things. But those who are not too much experienced or clever, they face the problems. At that time you can do that. If you are called suddenly on the stage and you are not prepared for the speech, then I think that first of all you should speak on people. Make your mind that first of all speak on people sitting there, discuss on those people, then discuss on the organizers who have organized the celebration. Then you can discuss on that place. What is your experience? Have you ever been there or not? You can discuss on that place. Then you can discuss on the future plannings of that area. Then you can discuss the environment there. In this way, the people will not judge you that you are not prepared for the speech, and you will deliver a small speech but beautiful in beautiful way. So this is very good way to deliver the speech when you suddenly called on stage. Okay. Last and very important speech is extemporaneous speech. In this speech, people before going on the stage, before delivering the speech, people write down some points, and when they deliver the speech, they discuss on those points, because they write down a little points. Then when they keep those points in front of them on a dice, then when they see the point, they remember that what they are going to discuss about this point, and they can discuss on one point for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, for long time. So it is good that make some points when you are supposed to deliver the speech. If you are sitting in the hall and some other people are speaking, and from their speech you can write down the points that you will give the reply of this point. In this way, I think that this is the very common and good method most of the speaker use when they speak the language. Hope you find these 4 points useful. If you are going to deliver some kind of speeches, these points will help you. Right now, allow me, this is English language learning channel. In next video, we will talk about some other subjects. Till then, allow me, Altaf Malik, and before leaving, please subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.